Are you ready to take your Google Analytics skills to the next level? In this video, we'll unleash a world of tips and tricks to help you dominate your data. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1, customizing your dashboard. Google Analytics allows you to tailor your dashboard to show the metrics that matter most to your business. Next, let's talk about setting up goals. Goals are the foundation of effective tracking. Whether you want to measure form submissions or sales conversions, setting up goals in Google Analytics will give you invaluable insights. Now, let's deep dive into segments. By creating custom segments, you can analyze specific subsets of data and uncover hidden patterns. This will help you better understand your audience and make strategic decisions. Moving on to event tracking. Events allow you to track user interactions, such as button clicks or video views, that don't result in page views. By properly setting up event tracking, you can gain a deeper understanding of how users engage with your website. And finally, let's talk about attribution models. Attribution models help you understand the impact of your marketing efforts on conversions. By assigning credit to different touchpoints in the customer journey, you can optimize your marketing strategies for maximum effectiveness. Congratulations! You've now unlocked a whole new level of Google Analytics mastery. Implement these tips and tricks, and watch your data domination soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing insights.